Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Old paper MCQs part number 6. सोज़े वतन कहानियों का मजमूआ किसने लिखा? मुंशी प्रेमचंद, गुलाम अब्बास, गुलाम हैदर। The correct answer मुंशी प्रेमचंद। सोज़े वतन कहानियों पर मुश्तमिल मजमूआ मुंशी प्रेमचंद ने लिखा। When did the Three Kingdom period begin in China? 218, 219, 220. So 220. Three Kingdom system begin in China 220. The main structure work of the Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889. The main structure work of Eiffel Tower was completed in 1889. Which metal is used in the fluorescent tube and bulb of thermometer? Silver, mercury, iron. So mercury. Mercury is used in fluorescent tube and bulb of thermometer. With which country is Orange Revolution associated? America, Ukraine, Russia. Answer Ukraine. With which country is Orange Revolution associated? Ukraine. Which was first country to avail loan from the World Bank? Italy, France, Pakistan. So France. France was the first country who availed the loan from World Bank. Where is the headquarters of ICC located? Spain, Greek, Dubai, India. Answer Dubai. Abu Dhabi ICC headquarters is located. Elisa Palace is the official residency of Queen of England, British Prime Minister, French President. Answer French President. Elisa Palace is the official residency of French President. Imaginary line passing with zero longitude crossing Greenwich. International dateline, international hotline, international equator line. So international dateline. Where was the headquarters of Arab League in 1979? From Cairo to Tunisia, headquarters of Arab League, due to war with Israel. Nelson Mandela remains in prison for 7 years. The famous personality Nelson Mandela remains in prison for 27 years. Pak Strait is separated India and Sri Lanka. Pak Strait is separated India and Sri Lanka. Where is Red Square located? Moscow, Russia. Red Square is located in Moscow, Russia. First Women University of Pakistan is located in Rawalpindi. First Women University of Pakistan is located in Rawalpindi. Who is the current Chief Justice of Lahore High Court? Muhammad Amir Bhatti. Current Chief Justice of Lahore High Court is Muhammad Amir Bhatti. When was UN flag adopted on? 7 December 1946. UN flag was adopted 7 December 1946. The Sakhar Barrage is also known as Loyalett Barrage. The Sakhar Barrage is also known as Loyalett Barrage. The second highest plateau in the world situated in Dosai Skardu, Pakistan. Tomb of Hazrat Sultan Bahu is in Kasur, Shorkot, Mithankot. Answer Shorkot. Tomb of Hazrat Sultan Bahu is located in Shorkot. Which of following fort is built by Akbar? Red Fort, Fort of Daulat Abad, Agra. Correct answer Agra Fort. Agra Fort is built by Akbar. How many divisions in Sindh province? 5, 7, answer 7 divisions. How many divisions in Sindh province? 7 divisions. The revolution of fish production is called Blue Revolution. Which is the largest lake in Pakistan? Lake is the largest lake in Pakistan. The Nehru Report was published in August 1928. Nehru Report was published in August 1928. In which province Kund Malir Beach is located? Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab. The correct answer is Balochistan. Thanks a lot for watching my video.